Thinking of leasing this Ford F-150? Let's look at a real 3-year lease, typically the sweet spot for leasing instead of buying. But something's missing from the deal sheet. The residual value and money factor aren't shown. Why do dealers do this? 3 reasons. 1. It keeps you focused on the monthly payment. 2. It prevents comparison shopping. And 3. It hides the true financing cost. With a little digging, we can see the money factor equals about 10% interest. That's 10 times higher than the 0.9% purchase loan. The residual is set at 60%, but after 3 years, the market value will likely be lower than that, making any buyout uneconomical. This particular lease isn't a good deal. But sometimes when the money factor and residual are low, leasing can work in your favor. Learn how to analyze your own lease or loan and get the Folco Financial model below.